I have the perfect spring skincare routine to combat dry winter skin. The first step, of course, in any skincare routine is cleansing. Now, when we cleanse for our spring routine, especially for ladies over 40, we want to use a very gentle cleanser. And this is Lancome's Cream Mousse Comfort, and it is specifically designed for dry to combination skin. Our first step in the skincare routine is we cleanse with a gentle cleanser because we do not want to strip away the essential oils in our skin. We take our cleanser, apply it on our fingertips, and we're going to evenly distribute throughout the face, doing a little bit of massaging motion as we go. Step 2 in our skincare routine is always toning, but we want to use a more moisturizing version of that. And our Lancome Absolute Rose 80 toner, got this in my advent calendar last year, is amazing. It has such a soothing base. It is such a glow. You will have such a glow after using this. We want to put moisture back in the skin, not enough to make us oily, but we want to put enough moisture back in the skin with every step of our skincare routine. The second step in our skincare routine is our Absolute Rose 80 oil toner, and we're going to apply a generous amount to our fingertips. We're going to warm it up. We gently press and pat into the skin everywhere that we want the extra glow and moisture, including our neck area. We do not use the rounds for this process. And ladies, the third step, we've got our Genifique serum, called my Genie in a Bottle, because it's instant radiance, instant glow, and you will see how I use the 5-point system. It's got an easy dispenser for just the perfect amount of radiance for any skincare routine. The third step in our skincare routine is Lancome's Genifique serum. It gives us a luscious glow. We're going to use the Pop Top dispenser to squeeze a small amount on our fingertips. We are going to warm it up with our fingertips and apply in a 5-point system with cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin, and distribute throughout our skin for a luminous glow. Call it my Genie in a Bottle for such a fresher look. Our fourth step is our Lancome Absolute Soft Cream. It is so luscious, and you will see in the next section of the video just how I apply it, because you need an extra bit of moisturizing, but like I said, it is lightweight, it is so quickly absorbs into the skin, and it is luscious. Perfect for the moisturizing step of our skincare routine. The fourth step in our skincare routine is Absolute Soft Cream, and it is going to give us a softer, subtle effect. It helps with wrinkles and dryness. Now we're going to warm it up also on our fingertips, and we're going to apply it evenly, working across and in upwards and outwards motion all around our face and forehead. Now I do this above and below my eyes just for extra moisture. Our fifth step is the Lancome Absolute Eye Cream. We also got this in the advent calendar, but it is super luscious. It works in conjunction with the Lancome Soft Cream, and in the next section of the video, I will show you how to apply it. Perfect for the fifth step of my spring skincare routine. The last step in our skincare routine is Lancome Absolute Eye Cream, and we're going to warm up a small amount. In our fingertips, we are going to apply 3 dots underneath the eye area that is very sensitive. We will work in an outwards and upwards clockwise motion all around the eye area, and that is the end of that process. There you have it, my insider secrets for my spring skincare routine. I always change it up according to the season, and so should you. But if you enjoy this content, I'm going to link my skincare playlist. That's some Lancome products, but also others, and you can check it out right here. Do not miss the playlist. There's so many good things coming. I have an extra surprise because Lancome Spring Gift with Purchase is coming up, and I cannot wait to share. You talk about absolute products? Well, I've got the in. Much love.